It's 8 a.m. in Germany and I woke up to this message on X. Announcing the AI Showdown, OpenAI, Anthropic and Google are partnering with Lovable to host the AI Showdown this weekend, a public comparison of the world's leading AI models. During the weekend, everyone will have unlimited free access to Lovable for the first time. Users will be able to switch between these AI models and see how each performs at vibe coding inside Lovable compared to each other. It's good weather in Germany, I'm feeling fine, so I grab my camera and I just try to build something here. Because you can win some nice prizes. You can get $25,000 for the best content piece, $40,000 for the best app you can create within Lovable. Yeah, we will have a look at it, how it's working, how is it going, how do we find the idea, how can we execute it, and how can we implement the idea the right way. And then we will submit our project to Lovable and see what we can build within a very short period of time here. Let's go! Gummy search for getting some sentiment analysis, Google AI Studio. And to show it to you again, so this is like the weekend, the showdown. You know, you can search for different AI models here. I think most of the people will use OpenAI. Anthropic is the like the base model for Lovable, but I will use Google this time because I use Google a lot, like the Google AI Studio Gemini 2.5 Pro. It's a very advanced and very good model. We will use this Google model for creating the app. And we have 1 day and 50 hours left, so I feel confident that we have enough time to start this app. Let's go. So we set a timer to 30 minutes. We have around 9 o'clock right now, perfect timing. For B2B, I think what we can do is, so we see like the biggest growth rates is like in newsletter. It's very interesting. B2B sales, SaaS founders overall. I also see some nice growth rates here in no code. It's like 6.5%. No code is a very good niche to step into. Maybe you can build something no code to build something no code, right? So it needs to be very easy. Gardeners, very interesting, like this one. Let's think about it, but let's focus to B2B first. So AI developers, like all these sales stuff and getting clients is a very huge niche, also called emails. It's growing fast. So sales and kind of promotion, building is very easy. You need to come up with some nice sales tactics. Okay, I like this one. Let's focus on these two. Like all this productivity is a very huge niche, but it's also very crowded because a lot of people like on Lovable are building something for productivity hacks, but I think productivity can be a challenging but also profitable niche. Let's see. I think also something you can build very easily. Maybe some self-promotion. I don't know why. I mean, I also have plants in my home, but not that much. But I know sometimes it's a struggle, you know. Maybe you can take a picture of your room and say, okay, just add plants where possible, and it add plants to your home. I kind of like this one, gardeners, yeah, maybe. Okay, so we got 4 niches here. We will focus on no-code, sales, and productivity, and gardeners. And yeah, let's see what we can find here to get some ideas. Let's go into no-code and let's see what people are coming up with here, what problems they have. I will go to these gummy search like topics here and themes, because it's a good conclusion of what the people are actually having for struggles. And yes, so the popular discussion in no-code community this weekend covered a range of topics, from seeking tools to manage workshop signups to celebrate milestones. Yeah, I think like what we can do here is like building some like cursor for, you know, building some table editor, some kind of tables, you know, because tables are very powerful. But yeah, you know, as I said, it's like you have so many options and all these. Excel for natural language. Okay, build me this kind of table. And okay, sales promotion is the next one. I kind of like this idea, no code, you know, Excel. Okay, so maybe we can actually, so optimizing sales process is a good thing. So maybe we can build something that as analyzing the current sales process. So you type what you're doing for getting into sales and what you're doing for sales, and then it gets you an optimization strategy for it. Yeah, I think this one is good. So yeah, I like it. Okay, so let's go into B2C productivity. I can't really imagine how this one will look, actually, despite I like the idea. For productivity and overall productivity tracking optimizer, it's good. Yeah, it's like something maybe something I would use, but it's hard for a software platform. You know, maybe for an app. Gardeners is very unique, I would say. So I mean, it's such a great and huge niche. I think I do this one because it's so it's so different, you know, because like all of these other platforms are just like, okay, I try to sell to the hackers and stuff, and you know, I think it's just some refreshing stuff. We are going to create a prompt for Lovable to brief it, you know, to get into this one fast. So create a prompt for Lovable. We can do run search in the B2C gardening space. We should use OpenAI's image generation model. The process will look something like this. Select between some standard preset or leave this option optional. Please build on this idea and create a Lovable.dev. Okay, maybe this is not the perfect prompt, but something we can work with. Okay guys, so we got our second coffee right here, and I'm ready for it to build the software. So it's 9:38, we got some time left. Looking good, don't need to waste any time here. And let's do this one. So I will use Google for it because I love Google. I love Google Gemini, and let's go. I think it finished. It's okay. Design your dream green space. Okay, so this is very. I need to come up with a landing page. Okay, so what I will do is here, I will record myself and I will record everything, but I will not talk a lot. I will just try to understand the concept. I will just to get myself into it, and when I have something interesting, I will talk again. But yeah, let's see what I can come up with. I will set a timer to 1 hour for the first phase, so it's 9:45. Okay, so I will see you soon, and hope you're having a great time. We're half an hour into this challenge. As you can see, it's 10:20, and that's what we came up with right now. So just some redesigns. We just made some, you know, some brainstorming how it can look like, and I will not like waste any time on some logo design and stuff. Should be very simple, very clean, core technology, MVP, not wasting anything here, and I think it looks very great. Design your dream green space with AI. People will love it, you know, and you can log in with email. You have a simple dashboard, style your first room. This is like not optimal yet. I will work on this one here, but I will just want to show you what I came up with after half an hour work here with Lovable. Your, you know, your profile settings here, just very easy, nothing fancy. What I want to add here right now is like that the workflow will work. This will look different in the end too. So you will upload your image, you will choose a style, and you half an hour, and maybe I'll have some updates. It's me again. It's 4 p.m. the next day. You know, I coded the whole day yesterday, so tried to make the best. We managed to finish it, some details, payment system, authentication, logins, Google logins, etc. We finished everything, and this is what I came up with. So just a little tour what I made here. So this is the landing page. Design your dreams. Green space with AI, you see some before, you see some after images. You see how it works, very easy. You see some benefits, why do you need it, and you see some pricing. Okay, we signed up with Google, and when we are in the dashboard, you see it's very clean, it's very simple. You see you have 1 credit, you can add credits here. The pricing tier is very straightforward. You have 1 credit, this costs you $1. And you get 5 credits for $3, and you get 12 credits for $8.99. See, you don't have any designs yet, so you start with your first design. So you click on add your image. Here's an image of my room right here, and you see the image. You can then select some plants. Optionally, you can leave this open for an AI choice, monsteras and dracana something. And what's very cool is you also see some Google search here. So when you don't really know what this plant is looking like, you can see it here when you click on see examples. This works for every plant here, and you can also add a custom plant. And then you can choose a style. You can make this optional, but you can choose from various styles here. I go with, I don't know, modern, but you can also add your own style here. And then we click on Style My Room. This will initiate the API call. And we're going to wait until this image is generated. Okay, this image is generated, and we see the modern style in it. We see the plant that we selected, we see the monstera in the back, and also we see some nice, some nice leaf animation here. I kind of like this one. And from here on, you can continue editing, so you can take this image and you can generate a new one. We can download it or we can save it. And what's also cool is that we can click on this link, and then we see the plant again that we could choose. So we click on save, and then it transferred here to the saved images. Then from here on, you can download the image. Very easy. You can use it as a template to generate a new one based on it when you don't like it. But what I like about it, that it's getting the room and that it's getting the lighting and everything. And yeah, so when you click on this button here, you see some care advices. It will redirect to Google. Then you can see how you can take care of your plants. You can click here on the dashboard. You can see your recent designs, but I clicked on saved, so it will appear here. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked the idea. Please tell me down below in the comments, what do you think about this idea? What do you think about the whole process? I will make a video when they selected the winners, and I'll let you know. Bye bye.